Wiko has come out this year with 3 new phones, including the Wiko Lenny 3, which picks up from Wiko Lenny 2. It has come with some very welcome updates, which should give you more value for your money. In the box, we get the standard things. We have the phone, a USB cable, the power adapter, some user manuals, and perhaps the best accessory of them all are these SIM card adapters that ensure smooth transition between devices regardless of the SIM card size you have. It comes with a removable 2000 mAh battery, and placing it inside, we get to see the dual SIM card slots and a micro SD card slot that is expandable up to 64 GB. It comes with a very simple design and a wide variety of colors, which are pretty fun. Part of the back cover is metal, making it feel quite good, and the back camera at the top plus LED flash almost give the illusion of a dual camera setup. The speaker is at the back, and at the front we have the front-facing 5-megapixel camera plus capacitive buttons at the bottom. Now let's look at the specific updates that the Wiko Lenny 3 has received this year. The display is at the top, coming with a 720 by 1280 pixel HD screen away from the 480p screen of the Lenny 2. Despite the screen size being the same, this should spell out clearer movements compared to before. The software has also changed. It comes with Android 6.0 Marshmallow out of the box with Wiko's launcher on top. The cameras have also received a bump. The back camera is now capable of 8-megapixel pictures, while the front stands at 5-megapixel, as opposed to the 5-megapixel and 2-megapixel combo of the Lenny 2. In terms of performance, the CPU is pretty similar. We have the same MediaTek 6580 chipset with a quad-core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz. All this is supported by 1 GB of RAM for smoother functions. Internal memory has also increased to 16 GB, which, like I said earlier, is expandable to 64 GB to increase storage capacity. The battery has also received a slight bump, coming in at 2000 mAh. This should last you through the day. This is what the Wiko Lenny 3 has to offer this year, and it's available on Jumia for 8,999, and it comes in gold and grey. Check out all the previous reviews I've done and subscribe to get notifications on every new one that comes your way. And as always, keep it tech whiz. Bye.